There are many innovative vehicles in development at the moment, each targeting a different transportation need. To me, the most exciting of them all must be something called the Viceroy, a Seaglider being developed by a company called REGENT Craft. The role of the vehicle is simple: handle coastal and island-to-island transportation needs, by tapping into the benefits of ground effect and pairing that with hydrofoils and good old-fashioned floating. In doing so, it's poised to become the first vehicle of its kind. I know, you're probably tired by now of hearing about innovative vehicles that never actually make it into the real world. But REGENT really seems determined to make the Viceroy a reality of our time, and it already has the backing of many airlines. And now comes another bit of news that hints just how serious these guys are about the project. They've announced several partnerships aimed to create a Seaglider crew training program, which will be approved by the U.S. Coast Guard and flag state authorities outside the U.S. We're told the program will consist of online modules, in-person classroom instruction, and hands-on simulator sessions which will span for a period of up to 6 weeks. At the end of it all, the procedures should produce all the crew required for the operation of the Viceroy: captain and watch officer for onboard operations and technician for onshore maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting. The biggest responsibility, naturally, falls on the Seaglider's captains. They are the one that'll be in command of the vessel and responsible for the safety of the passengers. Legal compliance, navigation, communications, and operation of key systems are also the captain's responsibilities, and they'll also have to oversee passenger and cargo handling. Entering the captain training program is not for everyone though, as an existing master's credential for operating similarly sized commercial vessels is required. At the end of it all, each participant will receive a type rating specific to Seagliders. The second crew member role on the Seaglider, but not a mandatory one, is that of watch officer. These guys are in charge of supporting vessel operations, assisting the captain in his duties, and managing the lines during docking. Before REGENT starts training Seaglider crews, it first has to know what it's doing, and this is where the partnerships announced this week come in. FAAC Incorporated is in charge with developing the instructional design and curriculum, as well as staffing and management of the training staff. A virtual training development company called DSTI has been brought on board to develop the training courses themselves, but also to establish a virtual maintenance trainer. Finally, Roush Industries will have to design and build the simulator's training cockpit. The courses, which follow the International Maritime Organization and U.S. guidelines for high-speed craft and wing and ground effect craft training, will be held at the company's headquarters in Rhode Island. We were not told when we are to expect the first courses to take place, but REGENT said further training sites will be established once everything gets going. The Seaglider itself is still some time away from being ready for operations. REGENT is presently toying with a real-world prototype named Paladin in the waters of Narragansett Bay. When ready, the Viceroy looks like it's going to revolutionize maritime transport. That's it for now, go away.